Alright, so in this video, I'm going to tell you guys why you guys do not have your driver's license. Alright, it's 8 seconds right now. I'm trying to beat this light right now, you know what I'm saying? Most of you guys do not have the confidence to pass this light, you know what I'm saying? Most of you guys do not have the confidence, and that's the reason why you guys are not getting you guys license, you know what I'm saying? You guys are nervous, you guys, you know what I'm saying? Like, you guys are nervous thinking I'm not going to pass the permit test, the driving test. But let me tell you guys right now, show the road while you're recording me.
Shut up, nigga.
Okay. Guys, listen. When you're trying to get your driver's license, you have to make sure you study. As long as you study, bro, show me, bro. Make sure I'm in the camera.
Talking about the road and me.
Listen,
nigga, make up your mind.
Bro, make sure I'm in the camera. Goofy. As you guys study for the permit test and the driver's test, you guys are going to be good, inshallah, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like me, bro, what are you recording? You can't use your phone at the same time while recording, bro. You got to pick one, bro.
Hey.
Guys, listen. I'm trying to help you guys pass you guys' license because in 2025, there's no reason you shouldn't have your license. You know what I'm saying? So you guys, what you need to do on residential areas right now, I'm on a residential area, you know what I'm saying? Right now, you should be going 35 miles per hour, you know what I'm saying? If you're going anything over that, like
this one nigga asked me, how you know it's a residential area?
Okay, you know it's a residential, not residential, I'm tripping. Residential area is 25 miles. I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah, what's going on, man?
You guys are going to fail you guys' permit if you guys do that. Residential is 25 miles per hour. But on the streets is 35 miles per hour. You know what I'm saying? And how you know it's residential? Let me tell you. You know it's residential when it's a bunch of houses.
Thank you. That's just common sense, right?
That dude just drove on the road.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
Guys, if you do that, wallahi, bro, guys, if you guys do that, that's a permanent fail in you guys' driver's test. It's over for you guys. If you guys do what that guy just did, he drove on side of the road, bro. If you do that, that's a critical error, y'all. And you guys know, critical errors, that means you're gonna automatically fail you guys' test. Look, stop. It's time to stop. Orange. Bro.
What? You punk nigga, what?
Okay,
what?
That guy.
What?
The guy that just ran that light, you're not supposed to be like that, you know what I'm saying?
No, nigga, what?
No. I'm trying to help them pass their driver's test.
Oh, low-key.
You feel what I'm saying? If they do that on the driver's test.
I ain't gonna hold you. That nigga would have probably looked at you and been like, nigga, what is wrong with you?
Nah, if you do that on your driver's test, guys, they're gonna cook you guys.
Slowing down while it was still green.
Green. Now it could go, you feel what I'm saying? Now you save yourself a life. I could have died right there if I went right there, you feel what I'm saying? Bro, record me. Stop recording the road, bro. Record me. Yo, guys, I need a new cameraman as soon as possible, please. Because the red light, if I have to explain to you guys what a red light is, then you most likely should not be on the road, you feel what I'm saying? You should definitely know what that is. When you're in the intersection, you cannot lane change. So I cannot lane change while I'm right here. Now I can lane change. Let me try to get over right now. Bismillah. Oh my gosh, it's a red light. Oh, he's lucky. Oh, he's lucky, bro. Huh? Why are you not showing me in the camera?
Because they don't need to see you.
I'm supposed to be in the camera.
They got to see the freaking road.
They need to learn how I'm driving and I'm talking.
How you're driving. You got no aura, nigga. Bro, you're not like that. You're not nice. Oh my God. You got none of that. That's throwing them off. They just need to see the road. What not to do.
Yo, I need a new cameraman,
how
please, y'all.
Not to do.
Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
Get in the right lane.
Yo, I need a new cameraman. By the way, guys, I need this video to get to 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? I need the YouTube to push the algorithm. You know what I'm saying? Can you tell them to like the video?
Like the videos, guys.
What the fuck? Did they just drop that?
Yeah, they're
Sid, wallahi, they just dropped that.
Well, probably not. I don't know. I feel
I'm
like
about
they
to
did.
Hey, watch that!
Whoa!
The windows are down.
Yeah, I know you.
All right, y'all. Let this guy in. We let people in because we're good Samaritans.
Why you ain't
let people in, you feel what I'm saying?
Why you ain't let
when you're driving your driver's test, you should always help people and let people in. You don't want to, be a bully on the road, you feel what I'm saying?
Well, what about
all right, we're merging on the freeway. This is how you merge onto the freeway. Show your left blinkers to show that I'm merging onto the freeway, you feel what I'm saying? It's time to get on the freeway. Bismillah. Ya Allah,
why are you driving like
Ya
that?
Allah, Bismillah.
Why you see? That's why they don't need to see.
Freeway. Bismillah.
That's why they don't need to see how you drive.
All right, this guy's right here. Now I can get in the left lane. Now, Bismillah. Oh my gosh, I'm on the freeway now. I'm on the freeway now. Just like that, I'm on the freeway. Good job. All right, where do I go from now?
What?
Where's the Google Maps?
Keep going straight, nigga.
All right.
Talking about Google Maps. It's all from the brain.
Guys, on the freeway, you guys are supposed to go 65
Google
miles
Maps
per hour,
so
I'm pretty sure.
Too. Why you keep talking about Google Maps, nigga?
Bro, why are you, bro? Nobody uses Apple Maps, bro. What are you talking about?
I don't care, nigga.
Nobody uses that,
Google Maps is buns,
No,
nigga.
it's not. Apple Maps is like weird AI. It's like I don't like how AI
Are you
is,
just
bro.
too stupid to follow it?
Bro.
Or are you
It's
too stupid
AI.
to understand
I don't
the layout?
want to do no AI bullcrap, bro.
AI.
I want the normal Google Maps showing me left here, right here. I don't care about
this
none of that
nigga
bullcrap. When you're on the freeway, you have to go 65 miles per hour. You cannot go higher or lower, or you're gonna mess up the flow of traffic. You know what I'm saying? I'm surprised it's not that much traffic, bro. In LA, bro.
Oh,
it's
word.
usually, like,
Why do
OD.
you think I told you to get on the freeway?
I mean, at first you didn't.
Yeah,
so I don't know
yeah,
what the freak
because
you
it was
talking about.
bugging out over
Nah,
there.
at first you didn't say that. So stay on
What are
your
you
word.
talking about?
Shall I squeeze through that?
You literally asked me
Shall I
for
squeeze through that?
directions.
Shall I squeeze through that?
You can't. You suck.
I can't get through here?
No,
I
sit
can't get
back.
through here?
Sit
I can't
back.
get through here?
Sit back.
Oh,
Normally.
he's
Sit
scared.
back.
He's
No.
scared.
Keep
He
going.
knew I could do
Keep going,
it.
Ish. Keep going.
He
Keep
knew
going.
I could do
Keep
it.
going. Keep going. Keep
He
going.
knew
No,
I
no,
could do
no,
it.
Keep
He got
going.
scared.
You got
He
sit
got
up to do it.
scared.
You got to sit up
He
to do
got
it, Ish.
scared,
Keep
bro.
going. Keep going.
Hey, he got scared. Cameraman got scared. He knew what
Ish,
I'm capable of.
Ish, keep going.
He knew what I'm capable of.
Keep going.
Nah, you're not ready, bro.
Okay.
You're not ready.
Okay.
You're not ready, bro.
You scared?
You're not ready.
Are you scared, Ish?
You're not ready, bro.
Uh,
Yo, you see 65? Showed him. Oh my gosh. I'm looking for my exit. Oh, wait, exit right here, right? Bismillah. Right change. Look over my shoulder. Now I'm in the next lane. Show me, nigga. I told you, show me. Stop recording other stuff. All right, y'all. All right, exit right here. Exit right here. Right here? I think it's right here. I don't know.
you think it's right here?
I think.
You think it's right here? Yeah, nigga.
All right, guys.
Freaking.
When you're exiting, slow down. You do not want to be going mad fast and then you're going to run into somebody and you're going to have a crash, you know what I'm saying? Worst case scenario, you might go over the freaking roof down. It's the worst thing possible. So you got to slow down when you're exiting the freeway, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I need this video to get 100 likes, bro. Bro, I'm trying to help you guys get your license in 2025, bro. The least you guys can do is like the video for me, bro. Just like the video, bro. I need 100 likes, bro. We all getting our license in 2025, y'all. We got to lock in, bro, inshallah. You know what I'm saying? You getting your license this year?
Oh, no.
Why not?
I'm driving legally.
Why illegal?
Because I don't want to be. I want to be in the
Why
system.
not legal?
I'm joking.
Yo, should I teach my cameraman how to drive?
Oh, this nigga can't teach nothing.
I
I literally taught you the rest.
I look here. Remember you teaching me some stuff.
I
like that.
literally taught you basically everything.
I know how to change the oil. I know how to check oil.
What? What'd you learn how? From me?
Cause all you have to do is check the block part. I'm like that, bro.
All right.
Move! Oh my gosh, I hate these drivers, bro.
Show me when we get out.
I literally knew I should have went in the other lane, bro. If I miss this light, I'm wallahi, I'm Oh, if I miss this light, oh my gosh.
14 seconds.
Wait, he didn't even turn. He didn't even turn.
Nigga, okay.
Oh my God. All right, y'all. This lane right showed him that it is 2 turning lanes, meaning 2 lanes can turn. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why they going like it's like green light or something like that. These niggas not about to both make it. But yeah, it's two turning lanes right here. So we're trying to both make this turn right here. This is kind of dangerous to not do it on a green light, I feel like.
Who, in this lane?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, not fast.
Because like these cars both come in, they're both trying to go in like.
No. That lane is smooth.
Yeah,
This
lane, this lane is AIDS. Oh, now we can go. All right, we good now. Time to turn. Oh my gosh. Shayla.
Unless you're just like that. Because you're not like that.
Yeah, I'm like that.
You're not
All right, now guys, I have to go 35 miles per hour
that nigga
again.
almost like that.
Stop glazing him, bro.
He's sliding.
We're off the freeway, so now we're at 35. Look, that they're telling us our speed right there. Our speed. That's what I'm saying. Cannot be going too fast, or else somebody might pull you over, and you're gonna fail your driver's test. I'm trying to help you guys pass you guys' driver's test. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you guys to fail, so I'm not gonna tell you guys anything that's gonna make you guys fail. Maybe sometimes I might, but like for the most part, I'm trying to get you guys all the right stuff to do. I'm on my left signal because I'm about to get in the left turning lane. All right, now this is the left turning lane right here. So now the orange means you have to what does that mean? What is the word again? You have to what's that word?
It starts with the Y.
You have to yield. Yeah, good job.
Good boy.
You him. Yield to all these drivers. They have the right of way. Until they stop, then I could go. People always honk behind me on these lights. I don't know why. Every single time they honk at me.
Probably because you're
I'm going now. You better stop right now. Stop. Ben, stop. That's how you have aura right there. You would never have that aura, Saeed. That's dominance. Right there.
That was
That's complete dominance and aura.
You look like a
That is
chihuahua
dominance.
barking
That's
at
aura.
niggas walking past.
That's aura. I just made him stop for me. I made him stop. I forced my way
stopped
in.
and looked at you and was like, "Oh, the poor thing's special."
Nah, that's not what he was thinking. He was thinking I'm a dominant human. I'm a full man, just like Curry. All right, right lane, getting in the parking lot.
Let's start talking about Curry.
Because curry's awful.
Oh, exactly.
Yo, what is that? What is that?
Yeah, you're not gonna like that.
What is that?
Some fruit.
Oh, he looked at me. He like, damn. Wait, what? Why do they like? Is that good?
No.
Oh, what's it
Depends,
called?
but you're not gonna like it.
What's it
huh?
called?
I forgot.
All right, y'all.
Like to listen to
All right,
Logic.
y'all. We have finally came to LA Fitness. Now we about to go hoop. Appreciate you guys for watching. I hope I taught you guys how to drive. I hope I taught you guys how to get you guys licensed in 2025. I'm trying to lock you guys in this year, bro. Like the video, that's what I'm saying. Comment down whatever video you guys want, inshallah. And I got some like.